Guys, this is Siad. Welcome to my YouTube channel E-commerce and Tech. So as we discussed on last day regarding the constraints, primary key, foreign key, check, not null, unique, and everything. So those who have viewed my video, I got you got some hope, some more insight about the things, right? So today we are going to talk about the statements in SQL. It's nothing very simple, okay? So I hope this is the last theoretical part, okay? So just go into the topic, okay? So statements in SQL. So what is statements in SQL? Statements in SQL are nothing which provides a functional summary of SQL statements and are divided into categories. Did you got confused, right? It's nothing very simple. I will go with a simple example, okay? So after 10th standard, we will select some subjects, right? Computer science, biology science, something like that. So if you're taking computer science, in computer science also there are some subjects, right? So those subjects are taken by the specified lectures, right? So like that, there are lots of functions in SQL. So those functions are categorized and divided into these things. So that is data definition language, data manipulation language, transition control language, data control language, data query language. Okay. So now we are going to discuss about data query language. So what is data query language? This statement is used to retrieve the data from database. It's nothing from the definition also. I hope you got the point. To get the data from the database, right? Okay. So there are four statements in data query language. That is select, projection, selection, joins. So we will deal all the functions in data query language with these four things only. Okay, so what are that? So first is select. This statement is used to retrieve data from database and to displays. It has the job only about to retrieve the database and display it. That's only. And the next is projection. The statement is used to retrieve data from database by selecting on column. All the values in column will be selected default. Okay, so this statement is used to the same thing to retrieve the data from database by selecting column, by select specific column and all the values in selected default. So select only. Okay, and the next is selection. In the case of selection, the statement is used to retrieve the data from database by selecting both column as well as records. In projection we will select the columns only, but in selection it will select both columns as well as records. Okay, and in joins the statement is used to retrieve the data from multiple tables simultaneously. So above the three statements which is used or deal with the single table, but in joins which is used to retrieve data from multiple tables simultaneously, which means to retrieve data from multiple tables at the same time. Okay, so this is the thing. So see here as an example, it's a sample table. Okay, so just note this. Okay, from next video we will go with the practical things. Okay, thank you for watching the video. Thank you guys.